funny story, I was actually making this smoothie, which I finished now, blueberry and banana, which is a banging combination for a smoothie, and it was stuck in my smoothie maker. So I went like this on the side with it, and it literally popped up everywhere. And I'd literally freshly done this face of makeup, and I had blueberry, like this blueberry colour literally all over my face, and I was just like, great. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my wax melt collection. So I've seen a few of these videos like floating around my recommended on YouTube, so I thought, you know what, I'm actually going to do that because I've got a decent collection of wax melts. And honestly, on Etsy there's so many small businesses that do like the best smelling wax melts, like loads of like different perfumes and stuff. So this is my actual little wax melter. This is like a this one smells good, what I've got in here. I'm pretty sure I got this from B&M. The wax melt that I've got in there now, it only smells a little bit because I had it on for ages. And this is a Sauvage wax melt. I actually got these from Mad Hatter's Melts on Etsy. So underneath my drawers here, I keep this little box of wax melts, and I've stuffed as many possible as I can into here. Like I said, I've got in here, I've got the Sauvage ones. They're like little hearts, and obviously they're deep blue because that's the colour of the Sauvage bottle. I just think this smells insane. I love the smell of like boys aftershave, smells so good. From her I also bought some Hawaiian sun lotion ones, and they look like this. Again, the same colours as the Hawaiian sun lotion, and they just remind me of holiday. Like I bought them like in lockdown 1 because I was like, there's not going to be a holiday for a while, so I'm going to need something to remind me of a holiday. So I bought these. Next in the basket of goodies, I've got these wax melts from B&M. This is the Chupa Chups one, strawberry. By the way, I am going to smell them all. As we go through them, I will need to smell them again. This is like little snap bars. They smell so strong. They are so nice. They smell really good. I've already used the full one and half of one, and they smell so strong of strawberry. I love these. And then in the same as those, I have Parma Violet ones. I've only used like a little bit of these. These smell exactly like Parma Violet. Next, I've got some more whelps from a small business on Etsy. I can't remember what this is called. It's like, I think she's called Melted Wax Melts, and these are candy floss. I really buy like most of my wax melts from small businesses because they just put so much effort into them, and they have really good smells as well. I mean, look how cute this is, like the glitter, and it smells so I literally just want to like. From that same place, I've got some chocolate orange ones, but again, they're like the tiny little bars, and they smell exactly like chocolate orange, but it gives me a bit of PTSD from the Soap and Glory lip plumper. You know, their Sexy Mother Pucker ones. This smells exactly the same as that, which scares me a bit because they hurt my lips a lot. From that same place, I have got some Snow Fairy wax melts. I've used half of this. How good does Snow Fairy smell? If you've not smelled it, it's like the Lush. They do like this, like, let me show you. It's like these from Lush. They smell so good. And it honestly smells exactly the same as the Lush one does, which I think is so good that they have got it literally exactly the same. These wax melts, like when I burn them like in my room, you can literally smell them throughout the whole house, which I think is very good. It shows how strong they are. And then lastly, from that same small business, I've got a new snap bar, which I've not even used yet because it smells like Parma Violets, and I already have this one that I'm getting through first. But look how cute the snap bars are. I think small businesses put so much effort into their products, so I think it's good to buy from a small business, especially during these times. And now this is what I've got left. I've got a couple of Yankee Candle ones. I've got a red raspberry one, but these are huge though. Like I would never put the whole of that in there. Like I've literally snapped this into like 4 pieces. And then a passion fruit martini one. I can't really smell that, to be fair. And then these are all my Home Bargains ones because these are like 29p, I think. I got strawberry and coconut. This one smells a bit funky, to be fair. Then I've got cocktail. I've got banana cake. Just went up my nose. All the Home Bargains ones are vegan as well. Linen. I love that smells so nice. It smells like freshly washed washing, and I love that. I've got flowers and cherry. I'm gonna smell this cherry one. Whoa, that smells so strong. I've got apple. That is my wax melt collection complete. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.